Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains, and today we have a 2017 Toyota 86 GT Coupe. Stock reference number 5003. The shape runs from the 8th month 2016 and is the current shape. There's an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine. We have the left-hand rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Right hand rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right door has one small dent and some very light wobbles across the centre of it. Right power door mirror. Driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, auto type console, auto gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.